Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning voice access on, not by staring at menus. Open Settings, go straight to Accessibility, then select Voice Access. Tap Enable and accept microphone and overlay permissions so the system can hear and show labels. Once done, make sure MIUI battery settings allow the app to run in background, otherwise commands may stop. You need a stable network for some features, so connect Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now you're ready to summon the assistant with the Wake command. Once voice access is active, practice the core commands so you control your phone fast. Say "Hey voice" or tap the floating mic to start listening, then use verbs like open, go back, or show numbers to label screen targets. For links and buttons, say the visible number to tap. To navigate pages, say scroll up or scroll down. If you need precision, say tap center or use coordinates shown. Practice in settings and an app to build confidence and reduce mistakes. Finish by customizing behavior so voice access fits your routine. Open voice access settings to tweak sensitivity, add custom phrases, and enable continuous listening if preferred. If commands lag or stop, restart the voice access service, confirm microphone permission, and exempt it from MIUI battery optimization. For noisy places, use training mode or a headset. This improves accuracy. Finally, reboot your phone if problems persist and test again. That usually clears transient issues and gets you back to hands-free control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.